Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing great at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today I'm back with my another video. In my last video, I'm explained this poem to you, and now today's video I'm going to again explain this poem, and after that the exercises of this poem. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all, the title of this poem is Come Out With Me. Student, tell me what's the title of this poem? Come Out With Me. And now there is an introduction of poem. So let's read the introduction. So in the introduction, this poem is written by Alan Alexander Millen. What the name was author? So Alan Alexander Millen. He was an English author best known for his books about the teddy bear Winnie the Pooh and for various poems. So one of them, his poem is Come Out With Me. Okay student, so let's learn more about this poem. In this poem, the poet says that in this poem, Come Out With Me, the poet says that childhood is the golden age of one's life. Each one of us share a childhood memory when life was carefree and simple. Poet reminds us about the small child that is the little darling. We are ignoring that little child within us in our busy life. So it is an introduction, and after that come to the explanation of the poem. So now here is the first stanza. There's sun on the hill, there's sun on the river and the sun on the hill. You can hear the sea if you stand quite still. There's 8 new puppies at Roundabout Farm, and I saw an old sailor with only one arm. The first stanza is There's sun on the river and the sun on the hill. You can hear the sea if you stand quite still. There's 8 new puppies at Roundabout Farm, and I saw an old sailor with only one arm. So, in the first stanza, the poet defined the beauty of the nature. The first stanza, the poet defined the beauty of the nature. The poet says that how beautiful the bright sun spreading his light all the river and all the hill. On the river and on the hill. One can hear the silence of the deep sea with a peaceful mind. Poet says that you can hear the sea when you stand still. One can see 8 new puppies at nearby farm, an old sailor with only one arm. The poet has tried to show different beautiful things in the world. The poet wants to be friendly and energetic, to see the joy, happiness of the world, or other than to be quiet or a shy person who prefer to be alone. Now come to the next stanza. In next stanza, the poet says, but everyone says run along, run along, run along. All of them says run along. I am busy as can be. Everyone says run along. There's a little darling. If I am a little darling, why don't they run with me? So in the second stanza, the poet has revealed the true nature of human being. Okay, in this second stanza, the poet has revealed the true nature of human beings. The poet says that the people always busy in their regular and boring routine of life. For example, students, parents' life. They always busy in their work, following the never changing routine of life. A person ignored the fun loving child and him. The little darling is the child within us. This is the inner younger part of one person, that is child in our unconscious mind. So the poet says that The small child within us is questioning the person that if I am a little darling, that why cannot you stop running? Stop running from your busy life and enjoy our smallest beautiful moment of life. So now come to the third stanza. In third stanza, there's wind on the river and the wind on the hill. There's a dark dead water wheel under the mill. I saw a fly which had just been drowned, and I know where a rabbit goes into the ground. So, in the third stanza, the poet again tries to make us aware about the nature things which are always useful for us, like beautiful wind, river on the hill. The poet also speaks about the man working large wheel. The poet also speaks about a fly and rabbit which goes into the ground. So now come to the last stanza. In the last stanza, there is a but everyone says run along, run along, run along. All of them says run along and never notice me. All of them say yes dear and never notice me. Everyone says run along. There's a little darling. If I am a little darling, why won't they come and see? So, in the fourth stanza, the poet again says that the people ignore the bliss of the nature means the peaceful joy of nature and keep on struggling with the regular routine. People are so busy that they forget to spend time for their own peace and enjoyment and happiness. Through this poem, the poet wants to say that everyone that there is a child within us is questioning to the person that if I am your little beloved, then why cannot you stop running from your busy life and enjoy all the smallest beauty of life? That take a break to from your daily routine and enjoy the beauty of the nature. So poet tries to convey a message to his poem Come Out With Me that we should always see best in everything and everyone in life. So student, after this poem we come to the exercises. So here is the exercise A. Exercise A, write two right here is the exercise A, write true or false for these sentences. So in number 1, the sun shine on the river and on the hill. So student, this sentence is true or false? So this sentence is true, so we have to write true. True, true. Okay. Now second, in second, there are 5 new puppies on the farm. So it is false because there is a 8 new puppies. Okay. So we have to write false. False, false. Okay. Now third, the child met a pilot. So student, this sentence is wrong. So we have to write false. Okay. Because the child met with the seller. Okay. Now come to the next, number 4. In number 4, no one plays with the child because they are busy. So yes, this sentence is true. So we have to write true. Okay. Now number 5. In number 5, there is a water wheel under the mill. So it is true. So we have to write true. Okay. Now number 6, the child is happy because she or he is called a little darling. So it is true. So we have to write true. Okay. Now come to the next, number B. In number B exercise, write homophones for these words. So we have to write the homophones words. Student, what the means of homophones? Do you know about that? Homophone means words that have the same sound but different spelling and meanings are called homophone. Here are some words we have to write. They are homophones word. Okay. So now number first, there is a C. SEAC. So we have to write SEEC. Okay. Now next is EIGST 8. and we have to write homophones word A-T-E, 8. Okay. Now third is deer, D-E-A-R, deer. So we have to write D-E-E-R, deer. Now number 4, weather, W-H-E-T-H-E-R, weather, and W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. We have to write weather. Okay. Now number 5, there is a week, W-E-E-K, week, and we have to write week, W-E-A-K, week. Okay. After that, number 6, there is a break, B-R-E-A-K, break, and we have to write break, B-R-A-K-E, break. Okay, student. Like this, we have to write the homophones word, and we have to also write many more words. Okay. Now come to the next exercise C. In exercise C, there is a fill in the blanks with the phrase from the box. So here we have to complete this given blanks. So number 1, the child saw a rabbit going. So we have to write into the ground. Okay, into the ground. In second, there is the wind was blowing. So we have to write on the hill. Now come to the third, please put your clothes. So we have to write in the cupboard. Okay. Now number 4, the school near the park. The school, there is a blank, so we have to write near the park, was built last year. Okay. And number 5, there is a last one, the girl blank is my sister. So we have to write with long hair. Okay, student. After completing exercise C, come to the next exercise D. In exercise D, fill in the blanks with suitable question. So here we have to write the suitable question. Okay. So now number 1, everyone called the child little darling. So here we have to write question, didn't they? Okay. In second, there is the water wheel wasn't working. So we have to write was it. Okay. And putting question mark because we have to write the question words. Okay. So now number 3, he shouldn't keep birds in cage. So we have to write should we. Okay. Now Henry is friendly. So we have to write isn't he. And now number 5, Meeta did not give you the letter. So we have to write did she. Okay. Like this we have to complete the given exercises. Okay, student. I hope you all are understood the poem and the exercises of this poem, how to complete the exercises. And student, you have to also write these exercises in your notebook with good handwriting. Okay. So till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.